actually fantasy.
This is very nice. You want to buy? Please buy it from yours. Hello, hello, hello. I can't really read.
Why can't we read suddenly?
There's too much lying. You have to read it.
Hi Rahul. Can only read that name. It's very easy.
Hi guys. देखो ना.
Hello. In love with that.
How are you
Hi,
all
hi.
doing? I hope you're doing well. Happy New Year's from us to you all.
Yes.
Because we haven't met during the New Year.
But here we are. Sorry for the delay in the live. We were super excited to do this different way. Also like a Galentine special live just for y'all. So happy to see you.
Apurva is saying hello, girls.
Apurva.
Hi. Apurva, she was only missing him. You know why?
Yeah, we're really missing you.
Yeah.
Hi. Auntie, love you.
I can't read, so you have to
I will read.
Huh.
Just make sure I don't beg.
Yeah. I can't
Happy
do it.
belated New Year's.
Yes, Happy New Year to all of you.
too.
Happy New Year. Hi guys, welcome
Hi.
to Yours Weekly. Oh my god, we have 50 people. I think we should stop wasting time.
Hope you have recovered fully. Have you recovered fully?
Yes, I have. There's always one thing gets over, another thing comes. So yeah, we're always recovering from life. Life is such.
Okay, so we want to show y'all some really special products. We got a lot of DMs on Yours Weekly page saying please put out kadas, please put out bracelets. You know, we haven't dropped anything like that. So here we are dropping all your request items. Everything in this drop are things that y'all have requested for, and here we are. So
And also, we've not had such things on our page before. We have not dropped these things. So these are all new things that we have dropped this year because it is a new year. So it's Yours Weekly, also new for all of you. So let's begin with.
yeah, let's begin with the kadas. So we'll show you directly our bestseller. Okay, we'll show you.
Yeah, we are
this-
already sold out on many
Yeah.
products. So if we don't show you too many things on live, please just know we don't have them around.
Yeah, and whatever y'all like, to be honest, we just have a few pieces, so just immediately WhatsApp us and we're happy to keep it aside for y'all. So there's this one, it's called Leaf Me. It's super good. It's all anti-tarnish and it's really great quality.
The quality
clasp
is
as
amazing,
well.
and I think also you guys, whoever's received our products, the best feedback we get is the products are so
Yeah.
good, the quality is so amazing. So that means a lot to us because हम बहुत मेहनत से जाते हैं, choose करते हैं और लेके आते हैं आप सबके लिए. So yes, so only thing the kadas I'm not wearing is because I've become too skinny. So anything I wear
Thank you.
doesn't fit me properly. So please don't go on my hand. Please
on-
go on a normal hand which goes for normal people every day. I have just become too thin, so that's why things don't just look good on me.
No, everything looks good
No,
on
no,
you.
no.
You look perfect and amazing.
Okay.
So Hold Me Gold, I really love this one. I just think it's so beautiful and it's so classic. It looks really, really nice. This is one of our personal favorites one, and we only have two, literally guys, look at this. We literally have two in stock of this, so if you like it, do DM us soon.
And we have these amazing scarf bracelets which are very, very pretty and nice. And we have two colors in them. One is like an animal
All you
kind of
animal
print.
print lovers.
And all the me lovers. एक तो sometimes when we go now, we don't have to think from our point of view. We have to think कि आप लोगों को क्या पसंद आएगा and what will you like, so that we can get some things for you all.
True. So these are actually trending right now. They are all over Instagram. They are called scarf bracelets. You can even tie it. So you can either wear it loose like this, so it looks really cool on like simple jeans, or you could even tie it like that. It looks really nice wearing. This is like a new sort of kada, and I kid you not, again, these are all our last stock, unfortunately. This is all we have. So if you're like it, do WhatsApp us ASAP. And in kadas, we have this left. Last.
Yes, this is for people who have really very, very thin hands like mine. This goes for you all. But this is really good. The finishing is amazing. It's called matted gold, right? And it's so, so wonderful. Also, my knotted earrings are so pretty. Love it. Yeah.
So this is like the matted one, and it's very cutely designed because it's squarish, so it looks really unique when you wear it. It doesn't look like your traditional one, so we really like this. It's very sleek and pretty. These are any of y'all here have purchased the kadas or bracelets from us? Any of y'all on live?
Yeah, good question.
Ravi,
Ravi ji,
we'll have a separate live.
this
just
is the
for
first
you.
live. नहीं, this is the first drop. आपने कुछ purchase नहीं किया है.
Seriously, broken our hearts. Come on.
Especially Isha's heart.
Especially Isha. I keep telling Isha, just calm down. Ravi will stick to his word. So please make sure he does. Loved the necklace, you guys. Oh, thank you so much. Should I miss her name? You want to say something about your necklaces?
Oh yeah, these necklaces are very very pretty. You don't get them
I know.
anywhere. These are the only really amazing ones that you will get only on yours weekly. Please tell me if you find such neck pieces. They're so pretty.
At this
and look
cost
at this.
especially.
Yeah.
So this is, we both are only tripping on this neck piece and we keep saying how beautiful is this neck piece. And Tay had a friend who came home and immediately she saw this neck piece and she bought it. And unfortunately, again, we only have,
No, we have.
we have. Order.
These
we
are
have
not
these.
the only things that are in stock.
Okay. So this is how it looks. It's actually so easy to wear. It's like this clasp that you just put here and
Yeah,
snap
there
it
is
on.
no hook, there is nothing. You just have to put it on here. Can you please show them this
Yes.
one also?
I love.
This is so
Please.
pretty for especially for Valentine's. Guys, you don't have to always buy it for yourself. So you can always buy it for your friends, for your girlfriends.
Galentine's or
Yes.
Valentine's.
You don't need a man in your life when you
Yeah,
have your
no
girlfriends.
way.
And if you have a man in your life, you know where to tell him to shop from.
So honestly, like even I was passing and I saw a big poster of Tanishq Mia with Ananya Pandey and they were wearing such neck pieces. We are also making sure that we are currently up to the trend and you'll see a lot of celebrities of late wearing such kind of neck pieces. It's a great buy. All should post it.
This is Dimpi's favorite, guys.
This is Stay Classic. What I love about this is just it's so simple, so sleek, so lightweight. You can literally wear it the whole day, and it has a very cute opening, like a very safety wala opening. Look at this. This is how you wear it. It's so easy to wear and so beautiful. And I just love that it's lightweight. It looks sleek. You can literally wear it on a black t-shirt, white t-shirt.
And a lot of you do not like wearing very heavy things on the neck. So I think like this one, Leave Me Up, and then this Stay Classic. I think this is your go-to because it is amazing, truly. And also
we have the same thing in a little chunkier but a very trendy design.
I love
called
this.
Silver
This
Mane.
is like so good. The
You
quality is
look
so
gorgeous when you
amazing.
wore it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
This quality is also very good. Again, these neck pieces now are so cool. You know how we have those hooks that kind of get in your nails? These are just clasp on, clasp off neck pieces and they look so classic with everything and they are currently in trend, so we really like it. Two. Do you
Then
all have any? Just type.
I can't read.
Eight. Want to say something?
No.
So this is our 3-layered neck piece and thank you so much for showing so much love on this neck piece because we have so many orders on this. This is a 3-layer neck piece and you know what the beauty is about it? You don't have to always wear all 3 layers. You can just wear 2 if you like because they are all individually clasped. You can just wear 2. You can even wear 1. So literally buying this is buying 3 freaking amazing neck pieces.
Here, this is the
Yeah.
single one.
You can just wear it like this as well. So
And it's very pretty.
yeah,
Like
look at this.
extremely.
It's like you.
Ravi's written something I can't see.
We'll order the bracelet soon. Hey Kaina, definitely.
Waiting, we are taking orders, guys.
Yeah, Kaina, we have only a few left. Please reach out to us soon. So look at these. So literally, you buy one at $12.99 and you have 3 of them. You can either dress it up by wearing all 3 on special occasions, or you could even do it individually. So we love the versatility of this neck piece. So for $12.99, you actually get a really good deal.
Yeah, this is it. This is how it looks.
Did you want to
Here.
This one, especially, we have got a lot of orders for. It's called.
We had to restock this, guys, for you all.
Yeah.
We had to restock a lot of things
Yeah,
for you all.
yeah.
We were like, out of stock. It's like we're getting like 15 orders side by side, and we're like, oh my god. Yeah.
Seriously, Pearl Me Gold was one of our masterpieces because it's literally 3 pieces. You get a neck piece, you get a bracelet, and you get a ring just for 14.
Yeah, and the ring is also adjustable, so
Yeah.
it's not the fitted size or something like that. So if you have small fingers, thick fingers, anything, it will adjust to your size. Even the bracelet you can adjust. So it's perfect for people like me. And then the neck piece also. So again, it's not ting ting ting, the
Hook
hook
ones.
wala and everything. Not too much calm, just easy going, breezy, easy breezy.
Easy Breezy is 2026 tagline day.
Yeah.
Easy Breezy, that's our next one. So also one more thing that's really cool about this is that you don't have to wear it all together. Like as it's like dress it up. You could just wear the ring one day. You just want to wear a bracelet. You could wear it all. So you know what? That's what I love about sets. I always buy sets. So you could just style it with whatever you're wearing at that time.
This one. Let's do this expensive one first. So we have this. So now again we have come up with something new that is set earrings. Otherwise we've always had individual earrings. So this time is like एक पैकेट में आपको 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 मिलेंगे. So this one is for 699. This is Shumi. Yeah, this one is Shumi and it's very very cute, very nice. It's so pretty. You get so many designs. You can always keep changing earrings. I keep doing that. I love earrings. Do you like?
Yeah,
earrings?
you love more than me everything. All these accessories.
You basically
You have taught me to, this looks good. I'm learning from you today.
Yeah.
So this shoe, there's one thing that I really like about sets is that it's also very economical. So for 699, how many sets do we get?
So we get how many pieces did I count?
You just count.
I forgot. Like you can see,
Anyone remembers? Can you all put it in the caption? How many pieces were in this? Let's see if you all are actually listening to all.
Only this one is for 699 because it has more pieces. But like we have
Kaina
Flower
will
Me.
Kaina, you know how many pieces are in this. You can help us.
Wait, let me
Yeah.
count. Wait.
So this one is for 599. It's called Flower Me. They are really cute designs.
12 pieces, guys.
12 pieces. 12
Yes,
pieces. for
yes.
Who said
Somewhere
it?
said it.
Oh, Sheila. Perfect. Yes.
Yes, so we
You're
have
right.
Flower Me also, which is so pretty. Look at the flowers.
It's
so
very cute, yeah. And we make sure that the quality is also really good. Although it's just for 599, you'll see that our hoop qualities are really good and such a nice, like budget-friendly products we've got for you all.
9 pieces for 599.
It's a great deal.
It's a great deal, and I think these
Yeah.
are very cute. If you want to just go low and small on your ears, you can always use the small ones. And then if you have like a party and you want to like wear like hoops or something very different, so this is it. I love it.
We have this one.
This is Hoop Me.
Oh, I really love this. These have really stunning, like thick hoops. If you want to dress it up, I really like thick hoops. And they
Even
also
when you
have
might
these
go to
mini
college and all, I
ones.
think it's amazing.
Yeah, college allowed.
Yeah, you allowed.
Okay, you're look
And
at this
even
heart.
the heart, even the stud kind of a thing, just the round thing, this thing. Yeah, very cute.
You all have any questions before we go on? Wow. Yeah.
अभी next day.
Oh,
Yeah, okay,
yeah.
guys, you can ask us questions. Sorry. Can we get lip balm collections? So lip balm is also something we can't just source it from outside and sell it to you guys. To be honest, like it'll be
wants,
really
she
practical
wants.
if we start making our own and then selling it. And also lip balm mein you have to be very very careful of what product goes inside and everything. I think we all also as individuals are very careful about what we put on our face and our lips. So
True.
lip balm.
Anyone has a manufacturing unit, you can reach out to us.
Yeah, Vinti is starting a new business very soon.
Oh,
of
now you
skincare.
just divided it.
Skincare.
Wish. Can we get the ring collection? The rings, yeah, you should.
Yeah,
So we do have one of the cuff rings left.
Yes, we just have cuff rings, one left, and this is amazing. I do love rings, bhai. I'm not. See, half the things products I've not done it because I have to open it and then I feel very bad because I can't put it back again. Okay.
Reserving the packaging for you, Ayushi. You can take this one. This one's really cute.
Ayushi, if I do not see your message on WhatsApp, Trust me, we know all our clients because mostly it is her and me who are taking orders. Just for your information.
Kinda, if you want a bracelet that fits your hand, I think this one is a really good option.
Even this one, this also. So
Yes,
do this.
correct. So these are also adjustable like these two. So as you can see, you can just like tightly clasp it also from down. So this and kinda we would suggest this one for you. These are great picks. And if you have like average size hands, then you could go with all the others. Hold me. It's amazing. Why? Okay, whatever.
Why you become, see, when I've put on weight and I'm healthy, then you have a problem. Now I become thin, then there is a problem. तो कहाँ जाऊँ मैं? मेरे को please बता दो. आज please answer me. Now if I've lost weight, that's a problem. Now it's too less or either it's too much. Sorry.
You look amazing, Tay.
My
Yes,
hands,
yes.
are your hands thinner than mine?
My hands are really thin. I don't think.
This is Bhavna.
No, Bhavna. No, about that someone said ki my hands are really thin.
Yeah, so like I said, those two matted gold and the scarf ring bracelets,
Oh my.
these are the ones that you should get because they fit me too.
Earring collection are amazing. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You want to show them the other earrings? We have a few left now.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So there is the one we are wearing. Can anyone type the name? Which one is this? Let's see how well you all know the business. Anyone?
Bhavna here. Yes, Bhavna.
Yes, Bhavna. Hello. Can you show bracelets for thin hands? Yes, we just showed.
Just showed it.
We'll
Show
just
it.
repeat it. So there is this matted one which is excellent for thin hands. This is how it opens. Looks freaking amazing. There are these scarf ones which are also adjustable, so you can just like tighten it from down after you wear it. So it
And
gives
you
a
can
really
also
good
tie
fit.
it so it
And
doesn't slip out.
Good point. Yeah. So you know how it's tied here. You can also tie it, and there are two designs that we have in this, which can be great. And we have.
Yes, we have hula hoop.
So this is so cute, yeah, because you know it has a slight shine to it. If
See,
you can see,
the
it looks
first drop when we
amazing.
did for earrings, they were a little bigger.
Yeah.
Now this drop we have gone a little chotu because that like your wishes are command. So like we want small earrings, so here we are. So we
Yeah.
even got this little one. This one is very, very cute. Very cute. And snaky pop. Ek to firstly yours weekly and the names that we give our products. I think go anywhere in this world. No one's gonna have such amazing products. Please, the snake.
Snakeoo. It's freaking
Nagin,
cute.
nagin,
What's the next line?
nagin, nagin.
Anyone knows the next line?
Nagin. Something. Hey, Rachana.
Neeti, you're perfectly amazing, fit and beautiful.
Now you're saying.
Yeah, you are. But no,
But
that's
you were.
another one.
Achha, that's another one. I was like, now
No,
you're.
that was Kaina. That's
Kaina?
Kaina.
What is your problem with me?
No. She was being nice.
Oh,
she said
okay.
you're looking fit and beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Kaina.
So this is Dune Pop. It's so cute, and these are really good sizes, very good quality, and super lightweight. It's like all you can want for rupees
199.
only.
Dune Pop.
Dune Pop we have here. Then we have the matted one that I'm wearing. I really love the texture.
I
just
love
think
it.
It's so unique.
Guys, if you
and
do not
nice.
want to buy anything for yourself, you know where to go and who to buy it for.
We've clearly told you our favorites. It's
We have
not
told you
that
our
hard.
favorites. Also, we have told you we don't keep our own products
Yes.
unless it's gifted to us. I have a person who gives a lot to me, so thank
you
you.
have people who give
Thank
a lot
you.
to you.
Yes, thank you, girls.
You know who you are.
And Ravi ji.
Ravi ji waiting for this drop.
This drop
order.
Ravi ji didn't buy. What?
So we have a few of these chinkus.
This is
From our festive
from our
collection.
sale. This is now we're going to our
Yeah.
sale section. We have forgotten our oxidized. We just don't want to do
Where?
it.
Ooh.
Yeah, but no problem. Let's do the sale.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody looking for really discounted rates. These are the ones. I know Christmas is gone, but you can wear this for next Christmas. Cutie Santo.
Yeah, it's very cute. Y'all could even do it on festives. I
Silver-
think it's cool to wear Santa no matter which time of the year it is.
Silver bracelet with.
Show silver bracelet with stones. I think we'll have to manufacture that.
We don't have it.
We don't
sorry.
have
We
anything
don't have
like this.
silver. A lot of people actually
Maybe
prefer
even
gold. No.
Tejo.
This is J-pop.
This we only have 3 prints left now in this
Yeah,
one.
we only have. I put all the 3 prints.
Yeah.
So take the other one. I put this.
Okay. So this is one J-pop that we have left. Just for 149 rupees. Very lightweight. Looks so freaking cute.
Morini, Mara.
What's
I
up
am
with
very-
Indian songs?
I don't know. I
today?
can sing songs, but I just don't know the lyrics of songs.
She starts it, y'all can continue it. And this is the third one for 149. We have just these 3 patterns left. Very cute, very unique, very versatile patterns. And this is Tay's favorite.
I
that's
like
with
how
us
from
since 1 year.
sale products she has gone to our normal products. I don't know doing sale. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, you're right.
This
Same
is-
product.
this
So
is-
this is Tay's favorite.
It is my favorite. My
And-
mama bought it.
It's super cute. We only have 1 piece in it left. It's from our festive collection. So if y'all have anything festive coming up for 199 rupees, what?
199.
199. It's not even the cost price. You get to buy this, which is amazing. Please go for it. Get it for all your festivities.
I'm just thinking whether we should save this live or not. We said too much. And then because we're talking about sales, so we have this amazing feather bloom clip for really like
199. Do any of y'all remember what is the price we dropped the feather bloom at? Can any of y'all tell us? Like, what is the OG price of our feather bloom?
this is Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Yeah, why am I asking and interrogating?
Yeah, it's too
But if
much.
you can answer, please answer. You guys are thinking to launch.
Hand chains and ankle bracelets.
So whatever y'all have told us to launch is here. So first y'all buy this and then we will consider launching more.
199 guys. This really pretty Korean hair clip, and we have 3 colors in that.
Cute. Then
Okay. Then we also
It's-
have this, the Ellie. We just have 1 piece left. Everybody who worships the elephant or loves it or just likes
it's
it,
like an animal lover.
just for style.
299.
299.
299. That's our sale stock. And our last crunchies that are left are Candy Bloom. We have a Sprinkle Pop and we have 2 Candy Bloom colors left just for rupees 89.
89.
89. So this is a great buy because this looks so cute. So anytime you guys are getting a earring, you can just pick out a rubber band for yourself. It looks so nice, even on the hand, just like that. It looks really cute.
Okay, so now like we said, this drop, we didn't, a lot of things we've not done before, we did this drop. So here we have oxidized pretty earrings for all the office going people, for the college ones who have to wear kurta, sari, just minimal, very pretty. This is pearl ox, which is so pretty. It's actually very nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. You all can just wear it even on kurtis and white t-shirts. These look really good. These are the bird ones. They are really stunning. Very good quality also. They are all like
This is hanging bird.
hanging bird. Cutie.
This is for 399. This is bird ox. This is for 399. Actually, all our oxidized earrings are for 399. And then we have this really cute kettle and pot, like kettle and क्या है?
Teapot.
Teapot, which is like so cute. So it's called tea ox. So cute. This is for 399.
And we have another one like this. So this looks really beautiful on the ear,
Yeah,
I just
please
love
go
these
and see the
hangings.
reel
See
so
how
you-
beautiful tail looks with it
We
and then
can
buy.
see. Yeah. So like I just wore a normal kurta and just wore this, and they
Looks
just
very
look so
nice.
pretty.
Yeah, they look very
Very
nice.
minimal, very nice. We have like 83 people today. What is going on? Wow,
Yeah,
guys,
we
today
drop.
Sunday. We have to drop on Sundays. This one is left.
Huh.
This is the Eliox.
I showed that.
You showed?
I showed this one only now.
No, you showed this one.
Oh, okay.
Go. Show.
So we have this as well. Cutie. It's It's really nice. Love how it looks. You can literally hang it. Don't need I have small ears, big ears. It actually looks really, really nice. Go for it. And it's only $399. We've kept our pricing really economical this time, just for all of y'all to buy. Whoopee.
Now we have this very, very pretty, very, very candy. The last thing that
Is
is on our
bracelets there?
sale.
Yes, Ayushi. I already showed you many bracelets that we have. See, we have all of these bracelets waiting for you to buy. Continue, sorry.
So we have this very, very cute artsy jewelry. So we have them in two colors. One is white and one is turquoise. And
Boho vibe.
they're very cute, very boho vibe. So we have the heart one. And we're selling them individually. If you want a set also, we are ready. Then we have this cute fishy one also.
The fish one is very
Very cute. So we have very few pieces left. And these are all for 149.
starting at rupees 1.
Yeah.
149 and 199.
So very nice. Evil eye.
Yeah,
बुरी
it's
नजर
really
वाले
nice.
तेरा मुंह काला.
Oh, you didn't start singing. Okay, I was
I don't
waiting
know.
for a song.
I don't know. नजर के सामने जिगर के बाद.
You got 2 lines this time.
I just got
Proud
two
of
lines.
you.
That's it. Turn on my third one. Who's saying? Do you remember me?
Yeah, we remember you, Cuckoo. She's ordered from us.
Cuckoo. Yeah.
Is that her name?
Yeah. No, some other.
Hmm.
No. Yeah, but Cuckoo, your real name is something else. Yeah. You are one of our clients, and we're so glad to meet
Thank
you
you.
here. Thank you so much for showing so much love to yours weekly.
Hello. Oh, I really love the quality. Thank you so much, Kaina. That means a lot to us. So we have our quality check done. You guys can start placing orders with us.
Yes, today we are
Such a
taking-
sweet voice.
Oh, but इंडियन आइडल चली जाऊँ मैं. आप कह रहे हो तो अभी के अभी. I actually do a lot of comedy, very silly comedy.
Yeah, you are. Love many talents.
एक तो मेरे को आज समझ गया है विनती वो कर रही है कि क्या what? I can't read.
Please show the infinity earrings. Sure, Trisha.
What is
What
infinity
is
earring?
infinity? Wait. Infinity earring.
Can you show the knotted silver? Please. No.
Yeah. Taste favorite. It's not
I am
silver.
there,
It's
yeah.
only for rupees. If you
149,
want 149, you can message us.
Same thing in silver.
It's very-
And we have the chotu version also of it because you guys like
Oh, I
chotu
love
earrings.
this. Yeah.
Actually, I am somebody who likes big earrings. I can't do small. Because already मेरा शक्ल छोटा है. कहाँ पे?
I actually like smaller earrings because I can't wear heavy earrings for a long time. So my preference is always to have lightweight, smaller earrings.
And my shakal is chota, so I like to accessorize myself a little more.
Who's someone
hair
wanted
is so
some silver
pretty.
thing, na?
Yeah, ask her how, why, when, what. Please ask her.
Urban Club Blue Line.
When did you get it done?
Just 2025. Just around the corner. Arey, Teja, someone said something and we were searching. Infinity earrings.
Yeah, what is infinity earring?
Do we have it in stock? We would love to show it to you.
No idea. This is a business account, guys, so please don't talk about personal things. Let's just
My
talk
name
about-
is Kumkum. Cocoon is your
Yes,
name.
Kumkum.
I love that name. It's such a nice name.
I was like trying to remember the song's name from the serial Kumkum. There is a song.
Loving the zone you are in today. I just want to sing any word you're hearing. It's possible. Can you give some styling tips to the products? Definitely. Why don't you reach out to us on WhatsApp saying which
I think right
products
now
and
she
just-
wants
Oh, okay.
styling tips, not on WhatsApp. Listen, Vinti, what is styling tip?
So I think one of the styling tips you can get from Tay is the combination she's wearing. So with a little larger than life neck piece, you can always team it up with really subtle and pretty earrings, which is the earring you're wearing, knotted.
Knotted gold.
So how Tay has teamed up knotted gold with Leaf Me, I think that combination is beautiful. And Tay, if you had to pick a bracelet with this combo, which would you pick?
The matted gold.
I feel that completes the look. and you can literally wear this with so many different outfits. So that's actually a very classic combination. And I'm wearing the Hold Me Gold.
You are like Egyptian only, full.
Allah.
This is like actually we should have sold it as a set because it looks amazing.
And my earrings are subtle, like matted pops. So
Yeah, because if you go big on your neck and your hand, then you please go like small on your neck. And if you're going big on your neck, then on your hand you can go big, but not on your like not all three big. No. Yeah, that will be my styling tip.
Do you like to do any colors in your styling tip?
I like any colors.
Yeah. Like, would you mix like silver?
You know, nowadays you have the dual silver gold. I think that is really amazing. Really like it, but do the dual thing together, but don't wear like silver and then your gold. I see a lot of people doing that, but don't make that mistake.
I also personally don't prefer different types of gold. Like, I feel like gold also has a shade, and I like it when the gold shades match.
Yeah, like it
not
should look like
a dark
Amni.
gold with a light gold.
I don't even like the little rose gold. Like, you know, now they have
The pink one.
the
Seriously,
little,
I love it.
I don't know, like how this is. Like, look at the shine of. So your hair is only covering our product. Telling you today, I don't think we can put this live anywhere.
Okay.
Thank you, Karishma. You the best.
Karishma is the sweetest. Yeah.
करो तू तो प्यार है मेरा
सच
तू
में।
प्यार है किसी
Damn, woman. Love your zone. Sending love. Thank you, Bhavna. Wish you the same. Love.
It's Nandini. Nandu, I have parcel. You got a parcel also, no? You received it, yes. Hello.
Ha.
Okay,
so
we're here
funny.
for another 2 more minutes and then we...
Oh, we are past our time.
Yeah, we can give 2 more minutes because we
Okay.
are like done today. Today finally we are going out for lunch.
Do you watch something?
Do you watch?
Some trending show. Obsessed
I've
with
just
our
seen Steel on Amazon Prime. You both answered. Yeah.
रवि जी फर्स्ट आप गिफ्ट जो आपको देना है अपने मॉम और डैड को, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. प्लीज कम लाइव ऑन संडेज. डन. तेजो संडेज विल डू.
Yeah, but then you have to
Sounds
order
fun.
on Friday and Saturday. Like those are peak days.
That's a
We
good
have to
point.
be very free to be like, okay, Saturday, Sunday, let's get busy.
That's a good point.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be live on Sundays. We'll keep this.
A thing.
Yeah, but we don't have one last one left, right?
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next drop on Sunday.
Your dress is
Killing
very
it today.
cute.
I swear I'm trying to read so much I can't. But I read the
I
part
will
I'm
read it.
killing it. Yeah, I should go
And your
and
dress
read
is
it.
very pretty.
Who? Mine?
Someone said.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for all your
Everything
love.
is just very loose right now.
You pinned it so much.
Yeah.
Thank you for all the support. My surprise.
Make dancing reels and
comedy reels.
comedy तो नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, yaar. It's your innate nature.
But I can't do reels, na. I can't have them. See, my comedy
Why
only
reels
comes out
can't?
with Rui. Actually, to be honest, it only comes out with Rui.
No,
Like
but
she
your
gets
talking
the.
also funny. You have funny talking.
Yeah, but I can't.
Come on.
Someone else's voice में मैं comedy करूँ ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Okay, guys. So our 2 minutes is up.
What's coming next?
You will know next time when we come
You will
next.
know. You will know. Okay.
Okay, bye guys. Lots of love.
Thank
to
you
all
so much for taking out this.
We're
half
ending it
hour.
with 96 people. This is amazing.
Yay.
Okay, I just since it's
a
New
thank
Year
you.
and it's our first live, I just want to tell you all something from the bottom of my heart. We just started this. It's started this in September. And now it's Jan. We are doing really well. Thank you all for all the love that you showered. Really, we just started it as a chotu sa business, and trust me, a lot of people take so much time to reach where we are today. Like people take years, and because of you all, truly from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. You all have supported me throughout my entire journey, even if it's the smallest thing or the biggest thing. But because of you all, I always say I am because of you all. So thank you so much for supporting Yours Weekly. It truly means a lot. It takes so many years for other people to reach where we are today. Like, you know, thank you. Like, Sachi mein, thank you so much. Lots of love to all of you.
That's very beautiful.
Want to cry? Baby tissue?
You're very cute.
I know. Bachpan se.
Thank you all. We'll see you.
We'll see you
see you all.
super soon. And Chandani, you didn't call today. First live, you did not call me before that because I informed you before.
Why she didn't call? She
See
called you
you
on Sunday.
No, she just calls me.
Every
Generally
day. Got
before, yeah. She's my bestie. And you didn't reply to me yesterday. I'm waiting.
Please reply faster.
I asked Chandani, will you be my Valentine? Chandani? Chandani.
Because you said, would you be my Galentine? That's why she has not replied.
Okay.
But girls, we'll have Galentine.
Yeah. We'll always celebrate with the girls.
Yes.
Right,
Thank. Sorry. No, you were gonna sing. Please sing. They're very happy when you sing. You can finish that song. Let's
That's all I want. तू ही है, तू ही तो मेरी दोस्त है.
That's the 5th song of the line.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for taking our time to join us today. 36 minutes. That means a lot. Thank you for giving us your Sunday, part of your Sunday. Please place an order. We are on our phones actively today, so any order will be.
Yeah, just by 2:30 if you do not reply, please just
Phone
know we're
will be
just
off.
eating khana. We're just eating khana. That's it.
Oh, explanation.
That's it. But thank you all so
Thank
much. Happy New Year to all of you. Lots of love from Yours Weekly to you all, you beautiful people. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.